welcome in today's maths class. So students, today we are going to do worksheet 7. Question number 1 is find the difference. So students, here rupees 70.95 minus rupees 20.75 is given. So we will subtract 20.75 from 70 rupees 95 paise. Now how to subtract? Always start subtraction from the right side. So firstly we will subtract this 5 from this 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Then 9 minus 7 is 2. So write down 2. And before that there is a point. So point we will write. Then 0 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 2 is 5. So rupees 50 20 paise. 50 rupees 25 paise is the answer. Let's do B part. Rupees 5 33 paise. Rupees 2 81 paise. We will subtract it. Start from here. 3 minus 1 2. 3 minus 8. We can't subtract this 8 from 3 because this 8 is greater than 3. So students, we will take borrow from here. From here we will take borrow. So 4 left here and it becomes 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. Then point. Now students, here 4 left. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 rupees 52 paise is the answer. Next question is 25 rupees 70 paise, 16 rupees 85 paise. Start subtraction from here. We can't subtract 5 from 0. So we will take borrow from 7. So it becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now students, here 6 left. Here 6 left. We can't subtract 8 from 6. So take borrow from 5. So here it becomes 16. And 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. Then point. Now students, here 4 left. So we can't subtract 6 from 4. So take borrow from 2. So it becomes 14. So we will subtract 6 from 14. So 14 minus 6 is 8. Now students, 1 left here. 1 minus 1 is 0. So rupees 8 85 paise is the answer. Now next question. D part. 96 rupees 85 paise, 36 rupees 90 paise. Subtract this 0 from 5. So it is 5 minus 0 is 5. Subtract 9 from 8. We can't subtract. Take borrow. It becomes 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. Then point. Now students, 5 left here. Before point 5 left here. So take borrow from 9. So it becomes 15. 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. Then here 8 left. So 8 minus 3 is 5. So rupees 59 95 rupees 59 and 95 paise is the correct answer. Now students, I am doing E part. 3 minus 5 we can't subtract. Take borrow from here. So it becomes 13. 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is 8. Now students, here 3 left. We can't subtract 6 from 3. So take borrow from 9. So it becomes 13. 13 minus 6 7. Then point. Now students, 8 left here. So 8 minus 7 is 1 and 1 as it is we will write. So 11 rupees 78 paise is the correct answer. One question left students. Do this question yourself. Let's do question number 2. Now students, question number 2 is arrange in column and subtract. So students, some parts given here. Firstly we will arrange these numbers in column and then we will subtract. But students, look here, you can see 45 rupees 45.31 from rupees 80.79. So students, write down 80 rupees 79 paise first. Then under this write down rupees 45.31 because 80 rupees is more than 45 rupees. So we will write first this number. Under this we will write this number. Let's do. So students, here I have already written 80 rupees 79 paise, 45 rupees 31 paise. Now we will subtract it. Now 9 minus 1 is 8, 7 minus 3 4, then point we will write. We can't subtract 5 from 10, take borrow from 8, so it becomes 10 minus 5. We can't subtract 5 from 0, so we will take borrow from 8, so it becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now students, here 7 left, so 7 minus 4, 3. So rupees 35 and 48 paise is the correct answer. Let's do next question. Now students, you can see here in the question 17 rupees 75 paise from rupees 34 and 10 paise. Now students, 34.10 we will write first. Under this we will write 17.75. So I have written like this: 34 rupees 10 paise, 17 rupees 75 paise. Now we will subtract it. Now students, 5 we will subtract from 0. We are not able to subtract 5 from 0. So take borrow, it becomes 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Now 0 left here. So take borrow from the next number. So it becomes 10. 10 minus 7, 3. Point. And here 3 left. So now students, 7 we can't subtract from 3. So take borrow from 3. So 2 left here and it becomes 13, and 13 minus 7, 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. So rupees 16 and 35 paise. Now C part, 19 rupees minus 0.07. Also write the subtraction sign in everywhere. It is very important. Now students, we can't subtract this 7 from 0. So we have to take borrow, but this 0 have nothing, so how it will give borrow to this 0? So it takes borrow from here, then it becomes 10, and here 8 left. Now 10, so this 10 gives borrow to this 0, it becomes 10, and here 9 left. So 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 0 is 9, 8 minus 0 is 8, and 1 we will write as it is. So 18 rupees 93 paise is the answer. Now students, one part left of question number 2. Do that part yourself. If any problem, then we will discuss in live class. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.